Hey guys, it's Fatima. My cousins left home and today's theme is about books. I'm being quiet because everybody's downstairs. Here comes my brothers. Let's go. I just love reading this book. It's called Tell Me About. It has everything in the world. Everything. It has about space, technology. Oh yes, it has history and events. The animal kingdom. General. That's amazing, but I don't know how to say it. There's a lot of stuff in this book. Just see for yourself. It's amazing. Whoa. What's going on over there? And why is this place so pink? Something's going on, guys. I better see. Oh my gosh, guys. Look. All my books are gone. They were right here. And now they're gone. How did that happen? Who would take away the glory of books? No, really. Books are amazing. Oh my gosh. Who are you? Where'd you come from? I am Bookcat. I will destroy all the books in the whole wide world and and make everyone in this world dumb as me. Wait, what? You are gonna destroy all books so people can become dumb like you? Why? Why would you do that? Because years ago, I was just living my life with books. After that, someone told me that books are a curse. They learn you to be bad people. Ugh. And then I decided to take away all the books that I had. And then I became so dumb that all the people in my school were smart. So I decided to make everyone in my school dumb like me so they can like me. And I decided to make the whole world dumb without books. The most evilest plan ever. I cannot let you do that, kitty cat. I must stop you in a thing. And also, you're supposed to let people smart. If you never listen to that person who took away the books from you, or you took away the books yourself, that none of this should have happened. I should stop this once and for all and get my books back. Are you kidding me? You don't even know where is my secret hideout of all books. And also, I still need to complete my mission. I need to go. While she's gone, I'm gonna make the mission for her, but in an opposite way. Give everybody back their books. Pronto. Well, she's not here. I'm gonna try to look and figure out where is her secret hideout. I shall be Mega Pink Spy. Let's go. Now that I have my pink powers, I shall try and get the books from the most evilest place of all time by using my evil cape. Let's do this. I have my evil cape. Now I need to figure out the password so I can get it. I think I need to be potty trained first. Okay, let's see. I don't think I can get in. This is an invisible wall. I need to get something. Like my evil powers. Let's see if the door's open now. Hey, it's not open. I mean, it's open. Let's put the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, that actually worked. Let me go inside and find those books. Guys, I think I found them. They're right here. Oh no, need to get them carefully. Carefully, just like that. What's that sound? Oh my gosh, that must be the alarm. Gotta get my favorite book. And these books for kids. I need to go! Ah! Oh no, you again? Kitty of books? Really? How did you come back here? No, really, how? My guards told me what you have done, and now you will pay back. Give me back all my books. No one shall read them again. No way, Kitty of books. I will not let you take those books again. This time, we're not having a battle. I'm just gonna give them the books by ignoring you. Here are your books back, my sweet little Goldie. You know you want them. Oh, I thank you, Fatima. I was looking for these all along. Here you go. Thanks. Time to get another kid, another book. Let's go. Here you go, all the three of you. Here you go, Big Lion, little, oh yes, Little Lamb, and Teddy Bear. Here are your books. I got them back. For you. Oh, I thank you. We were looking for these books all along. Yeah, we love these books a lot. We want them. We were crying for them all day. My brothers were crying for these books all day long. Well, here you go. Take them. Thanks. Thank you. We love you. I love you guys too. Oh, hey there, Tooth Fairy. I got your books for you. I know you turned into a cat, but it's okay. You look fine. Let me go get your books. Here you go. Your books and your drawing book. Let me give them to you. Oh, I thank you, dearie. I got a new scarf, by the way, but now it's starting to fly and I'm getting upside down. Just put the books on the ground. I'm gonna land. Oh no. Are you okay, Tooth Fairy? Yes, I'm quite alright, dear. Next time I'm gonna give you a special surprise for your tooth because you brought me back my books. Anyway, here you go, Tooth Fairy. Thank you, dearie. Now, can you please help me up? Thank you for giving us our books. Yes, thank you, dearie. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. You're welcome, everybody. Read those books, by the way. You don't want to lose your minds. Mission complete. I brought everybody else their books back, and I defeated the cat, and now I have my book back. Tell me about. This is the most awesomest day ever. So thank you guys for watching my video this week, and if you want to know what's my book named is called, my book's name is Tell Me About. You can get it in Sharjah and any other country. If you have it right now, tell me in the comments down below. And here, there's so many types of books. There are so many more. Let me tell you their names. There is Tell Me How, Tell Me Why, Tell me who, tell me which, tell me what, tell me where, tell me when. Yeah. And these are the most awesomest books that anybody... I think I got the case of the sneezies. Time to defeat the sneeze monster. Gotta go. Subscribe and thumbs up. Like this video. And tell me if I defeated the, sneeze monster. I'm gonna make another video about it. Bye! Power of friendship. Have a friendly day. That's it.